Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's begin our class with Al-Fatiha. Okay, so since kita dah lebih kurang seminggu lebih kita buat chapter 4 kan. So you have done a lot of exercises, and I have also given you the solutions and also the answer for the questions. And I hope that you have you are able to understand topic 4 perfectly, inshallah. So today we're going to look at chapter 5, production theory. So what is production? Yeah? Production is a process of transforming inputs into output, right? So that is what we call as production process. So what is input? Input consists of land, labor, capital, natural resources, and entrepreneur, which means input are resources. Yeah, resources, which is used in the production process of goods and services. So we can actually divide input into two. Yeah, inputs can be divided into two. Which our first one is fixed input and the second one is variable input. So in fixed input is refers to the input that can be varied. Input that cannot be varied as output changes. Yeah, which means this input is hardly changed because it's this in the short run. Yeah, in the short run, this input is hardly changed. Yeah? This input cannot be changed in the short run. Why? Because this kind of input need ample time and also enough money to change. So dia perlukan jangka masa yang lama untuk ubah, untuk kita tambah this fixed input. So what are the examples of fixed input? Contohnya land, factory, equipment, machinery. Ini semua memerlukan modal yang besar untuk diubah. Jadi kita kata in the short run, this fixed input cannot be altered or changed. What about variable input? Yeah, variable input is input that can be varied as output varies in the short run. So dalam jangka masa pendek, variable input boleh diubah. Ya, contohnya macam labor, raw materials. So this is variable input yang kita tak perlukan masa yang panjang untuk ubah. Ya, sebab labor bila-bila masa saja kita nak tambah labor, kita boleh iklankan jabatan kosong. Ya, kalau kita tak nak, kita boleh producer ataupun employer dia boleh kurangkan pekerja dengan membuang pekerja dan sebagainya. Yeah, right. And then we look also at the time period. Yeah, so basically there are two time period: short run production and long run production. So short run production, yeah, is a production process, yeah, which has at least one fixed input, and one or more variable input. So dalam jangka masa pendek, there will be fixed input lah. In other words, kita kata in the short run, there will be fixed input, at least one. Yeah. Apabila ada fixed input, bermaksud production itu berlaku dalam jangka masa pendek. Kenapa jangka masa pendek? Sebab kita kata, tapi tadi definition of fixed input tadi kata apa? In the short run, fixed input cannot be changed. Ya, jadi kita kata apa pula definition short run? Maksudnya in the short run is a period where there will be fixed input and variable input. Untuk long run production, so this is the enough time, ample time for all inputs to be varied, even though the input is fixed in the short run, tapi dalam jangka masa panjang dia dah cukup masa untuk berubah, untuk diubah, untuk ditambah. Jadi kita kata all inputs are variable in the long run. Basically ini teori lah, teori sebelum kita go to the calculus part, right? Okay, so what is the production function? So production function, it actually showing a maximum output of a commodity that a firm can produce with set of inputs. Ya, selalunya kita akan tulis production function ni sebagai Q equals to F in bracket L or L and K ataupun L, K macam ni lah ya. So this is what we call as the production function ya. So kita kata in other words quantity or output is a function of inputs. So that is production function. Right. Kita ambil contoh production function yang ni lah ya. Kita ambil contoh production function here. Contohnya dia Q equals to 2K. K ni adalah capital plus 3L and plus 2KL. K adalah capital, L adalah label. So kalau label is fixed, kalau label fixed, label is fixed and capital varies. Bukan macam ni, dia kejap saya ambil. Ada kesilapan sikit. So tulisan dia macam mana? Dia macam ni lah. Label ni akan ada head di atasnya. Maknanya dia fix. Tapi kalau capital pula fix. So capital yang ada head dekat situ. Contohnya lah. Okay. And then we go also to the Cobb-Douglas production function. Cobb-Douglas production function dia berbeza dengan production function yang saya tunjuk tadi lah dia berbeza. So dia macam ni Q equals to A, K ada alpha dengan label beta. So what is the meaning of alpha and beta? Alpha tu maksudnya alpha tu to the power of K. K ni to the power of alpha, label ni to the power of beta. Bermaksud alpha and beta itu represent elasticity, percentage. Berapa banyak persen capital digunakan untuk production of the good, berapa banyak persen capital labor digunakan, capital and labor digunakan untuk production of the quantity itulah. Okay, contohnya lah